Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed your first 2 courses of CSONS Christmas at home. Let's go for the dessert. Okay, we've taken a traditional kind of classic sticky toffee pudding, put a lot more dates in it and more spices and just turned it into something a bit more naughty for Christmas. With that we've made, well, it's a sticky toffee sauce but with extra dates, loads of brandy and butter, so it's a date and brandy butter sauce. And then we've been a little bit extra naughty as it's Christmas and stuffed some dates with some almonds and soaked them in a sort of brandy syrup. Then we are serving it with some Cheshire clotted cream from the Clotted Hall Dairy. First thing first, oven is on about 160. Get your sticky date cake. And bang her in the oven. Next up, you need this. It's set totally firm. Looks pretty naughty. Just on a low heat with really just looking to melt it really. These guys, smell amazing. What I'm going to do with them is I'm going to pour that brandy into there just to get that going. Won't take long. So a few minutes on that and a few minutes in the oven just to warm it up. So I'm happy that's nice and warm. My sticky toffee sauce is nice and just bubbling. Obviously first things first, cake in. Sauce on. Okay then, not exactly sure how the best way to get these guys out, but I'm just going to try and do it in one fair swoop, such as that, and if we can get it to stick, the better. And we're going to go extra naughty. Excuse my fingers. I would normally use a spoon, but it's just us eating today, so there we go.